Hello everyone, you're welcome again to my channel. This is Skin Illustrations with Cindy. In today's video, I'll be making Kids Moisturizing Butter. I found that I haven't featured kids in a lot of my videos. So today, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the nourishing butter, having their skin bounce back, looking more healthy and glowing. Please do not go anywhere. Stay put and join me. Let's make this video together. Okay guys, let's make our butter. So here I want to introduce the ingredients I'm going to be using. In here I have my shea butter. Shea butter has high fatty acids and vitamins. Is also a very good skin softener. It also contains anti-inflammatory property and helps in healing. It tones the skin, conditions the skin, soothes the skin too. In here I have my mango butter. Mango butter is less greasy, doesn't clog the skin, and also moisturizes the skin. It contains vitamin C, I don't know how many of us that know that, and helps in boosting the skin. Mango butter also contains vitamin A, which helps to increase the skin's youthful appearance. Also, it reduces fine lines. These are the major butters I'm going to be using for the nourishing butter. Then also here I have my turmeric oil. Turmeric oil is a very good cleanser. Also helps in smoothing the skin, calms the skin, brightens the skin, and removes excess natural skin oil. It also has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. It is also a very good healing oil. Also here I'll be using my Mulberry Extract. Mulberry is a very good hydrator and nourishes the skin too. It also helps in lightening dark spots and discoloration. It also improves the appearance of uneven skin and protect the skin from environmental factors. So guys, you understand what we are talking about. Then here I will be using my Vitamin E Oil. Vitamin E Oil is a very wonderful moisturizer and also heals and reduces skin itching. It is also very good for curing of eczema and prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. Also, I'll be using my avocado oil. Avocado oil also helps in replenishing dry skin. It's also a very good hydrator and a moisturizer. It prevents the skin from trapping in ultraviolet rays. It is a very good oil for protection of the skin, and it also has antibacterial property. Also, I will be using my carrot oil. Carrot oil is a very good oil for skin lightening and brightening of the skin. It gives the skin a very glowing look and also helps in protecting the skin from breaking out. Also, I'll be using my DIY Malaysian Oil. All of us know that our Malaysian oil is palm oil with other things added into it. Palm oil is good for locking up of moisture and is very suitable for sensitive skin. It also helps in boosting the skin immunity. I'll also be using my collagen. My collagen helps in strengthening the skin and improving hydration and elasticity. Okay guys, I'll also be adding my eucalyptus oil. It's a very good massage oil and an aromatherapy oil. Then also I will be using my black seed oil. Black seed oil helps in maintaining the skin elasticity and also has healing property. Then I'll also be using my lavender oil. My lavender oil is a very good oil. It detoxifies the skin and helps in leaving a very good moisturized skin. Then also I will be adding my rosemary oil. Rosemary oil, it's a very soothing skin. It's a very soothing oil for dry skin. Also helps in rejuvenating damaged skin and removing of scars on the skin. So guys, and these are my fragrances and my vitamin C powder. Also I'll be adding my arrowroot powder to this mix. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I'll be adding my butters into this bowl, then having microwaved, then bring it out before I add the other ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to pop this into the microwave and have it melted. I need it converted to liquid form, so I'll be able to incorporate other oils into it before I get my nourishing butter. So guys, do not go anywhere, stay with me. Guys, this is my butter, well melted. So I'll be adding the other ingredients to it. place to cool, or you can put in your fridge or freezer to harden back before you use your hand mixer to blend for you to get your nourishing butter. Afterwards, I will now add my arrowroot powder. My arrowroot powder is the last powder I'm going to be adding. Okay guys, this is the butter from the freezer. I left it for a few minutes like I told you. So I'm gonna whisk it using my hand mixer and get the fluffy butter that I want. Okay, you get something like this. Be careful not to whisk for too long so you don't convert it back to oil. Then here I'll be adding my arrowroot powder. Okay guys, and this is what you get. This is our kids moisturizing body butter. This butter will nourish their skin, give it a beautiful glow, and make their skin maintain its natural color. You can store up in an airtight container and use on their bodies. Till next time guys, I am Skin Illustrations with Cindy. See you.